Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me REALME 9 Pro Plus device, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable caller ID announcement on this device. To do it, first open phone application, then click on the three dots buttons right up corner of your screen, click settings, scroll down, then find here caller ID announcement. Choose Announce Caller ID and choose or always or only when using a headset. So I will use this feature because I don't want to announce caller ID to everyone will hear caller ID. I want to hear caller ID only when I have my smartphone in backpack and I have connected my earbuds to my smartphone, and when I'm in headphones I will hear caller ID when I can't see my smartphone screen. So that's it, thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.